Sound is actually is sort of dispersed from a three-dimensional perspective, because it's sort of an expanding sphere or expanding bubble that just sort of propagates and disperses and dissipates depending on the impact that causes the intensity. So what is the relationship between the physics of sound and mental disorder? Sound travels at 700 miles an hour, but we can only hear between 20 to 20,000 hertz, right? Because we can only hear between 20 to 20,000 hertz, it means that our perception of frequencies are very limited. We have a very limited range of how we hear sound. The frequencies are limited. So we explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. We discuss the psychological aspect. We talk about the physics. Let's talk about the musical aspect of mental disorder, the theoretical aspect of music. We can go back to Pythagoras.